Check it out. I ordered some new Bistro bowls. So I have not seen these before, but they are crate and barrel, so I imagine they're good. I got them to replace this one, and I'll show you that in a minute. But let's see what we got. Hopefully they packed it well. They usually do. Oh, wow. I'm going to be moving soon. I can use those again. I think they're upside down. Shipping label. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's pretty. Made in Sri Lanka. Okay. Suppose I can live with that. Now I got these because they're porcelain. If you have ever seen me work in the kitchen, any plate or cup or bowl that I have had that said earthenware or stoneware, I've broken or chipped. These don't do that. And that's the reason I spend a little extra money on these. And I think I got these for, well, it doesn't say on here, but I think it was like $26, $27, something like that. They have a very nice heft to them. They feel very weighty. I think they were on special and they had free shipping too. Now I got these to replace these. These are some bowls that I had been using as soup bowls and just to eat out of for like stews and gumbos, things like that. I got these out of a restaurant supply store. Vortex, I think is the name on the bottom of them. But if you look very, very closely, you can see they're starting to crack. And you can see it's cracking on the outside too. I do not know what these are made out of. It doesn't say, but I have had them for quite a while. And all the crate and barrel cookware that I've had has held up really well so far since I've owned it. Except this one piece. This one, if you can look in there, Lady Barbell decided to try to use this as a mixing bowl once, and this is what it did. I haven't been able to figure out a way to clean it. I have tried Barkeeper's Friend. I know some of you were going to recommend that. If anybody has any ideas, I'm willing to listen. Crate and Barrel, if you're listening, how do I fix this? Anyway, I am looking forward to using these. I'm going to clean them up and let's make something cool to go in them. See you next time.